Hi everyone, welcome back to Soulmate Adventures. Today we're on the overnight ferry from Harwich to Hook of Holland. We booked a comfort class 2-berth cabin since we were traveling as a family of 3. Children 3 and under travel free, so we only had to pay for 2 adult tickets. This ended up being an economical option for us since we saved on 1 night of hotel costs. Our cabin consists of 1 double bed and 1 single bed. Between the beds, there's a window to look outside, but since it's nighttime, we couldn't see much. The room includes a small desk with a complimentary minibar, which was a nice bonus. It has bottled water, soda, and even alcohol, plus snacks, coffee, and tea. The bathroom is small but clean and honestly better than I was expecting. The shower is a decent size and has very good water pressure. There's even a small wall-mounted TV with a few channels. After checking out our room, we left to go explore the ship. There's a number of dining and entertainment options available to keep you occupied. These are the duty-free shops, but we didn't end up going inside. The outdoor deck where people can get fresh air or have a smoke. It was pretty cold, so we didn't end up spending much time outside. This is the kids' play area, which our daughter absolutely loved. It was a lot of fun and we had it all to ourselves. You can read all the details about this ferry journey in our blog. The link is in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and check us out on Instagram at Soulmate Adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.